Is your YouTube channel getting views, but suddenly no impression, no views, or maybe you are growing very fast and now it is stuck? In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to help you improve your content strategy and possibly help you to fix what is holding your channel back. In this channel, I help new and returning YouTubers to grow fast on YouTube using smart AI tools. Just like ChatGPT, if you are tired of guessing what has happened to your channel and why you are not getting views, all of a sudden just low impression and your channel is no longer growing the way it's supposed to grow or the way you have been growing before. In this channel, I am dedicated to help you fix that problem step by step. Alright guys, so we're going to be looking at sudden drop in views or impression. Are you aware that even some of the words that you think you are talking on your video can also bring your video impression down, and also your YouTube views will come down? Because when the impression is no longer going up, the number of views you are going to be getting will start climbing down. And that is what is making so many YouTube channels, not growing the way they expected. And when you begin to experience this kind of problem, the next thing or the next action you are going to take is to abandon the channel and start creating another channel. Now, you don't have anybody to guide you. You don't have anybody to tell you the truth. You don't have any mentor that can tell you, keep on working, because if you keep on working, you're going to find out that you are still getting 0 views, you are still getting low impression. Because of this, you are going to be frustrated. And when you are getting frustrated, you are going to stop working on the channel. So that is exactly what I'm going to walk you through in this particular video, step by step, so that I can be able to fix this error and get your channel on the track again. If you have an old channel, maybe 2,000 subscribers and above, maybe 3,000 subscribers, 50,000 subscribers, and all of a sudden you're no longer getting the kind of view that you are getting. So if you watch this video, you're going to find out one solution that can help you to restore your channel back, because you're not getting views and you're not getting impression the way you're supposed to get. Now, YouTube is not even notifying you what mistake you have made, that you can easily fix it. So this kind of problem is a big problem to a lot of people on the internet space. So I'm going to be solving this problem. This particular solution I'm bringing to you is a paid service, but I'm going to be giving it for free. All right. So make sure you stay with me to the end and do not skip any part, so that I walk you through how you can be able to use just ordinary ChatGPT to solve that problem suddenly. And ChatGPT is going to help you to analyze your channel and also help you to analyze your content itself. All right. And even ChatGPT will help you to analyze your thumbnail where you are violating policy, and also help you to analyze the title that you are using for that particular video. If you notice, so many people, when they post their video and the video is not doing well, they will change the title and put a new title. Do you know why? Because the first title that they put is violating YouTube policy and that video is not going. So when they change to a better title that is not violating to YouTube, then that video will now pick and start going up. Then they will now come and make video to tell you that when you upload video after 1 day or 2 days, change the title and your video will go. They are not telling you what is actually making the video to now let her go after you finish changing the title. And that is what I'm going to be exposing in this video. Let's get into my system. Alright guys, so the first thing you need to do is to open ChatGPT either on your mobile phone or your PC, just like this. And let me go ahead and walk you through the basic steps and what you need to do in order to identify or spot any error or violations on your YouTube channel, to actually understand the reason why you are either being shadow banned or maybe they are suppressing your views. So that is what I'm going to do right now. The first thing you need to do is to open ChatGPT, just like what you are seeing here now. You can see that we have a blank interface. Now, this is where we're going to go ahead and copy and paste our prompt. I'm going to also make the prompt available so that anyone who is interested in using the prompt can go ahead and use the prompt, and get the same similar results. So the first thing we're going to do now, before we copy the prompt, is to come to a YouTube page. And in YouTube, right over here, we're going to go ahead and demonstrate with this particular video. Okay. Now we'll come over here, we'll demonstrate with this video, and then we'll come over here, we'll also demonstrate with this video also. We want to find out what is the difference between each of these videos and what these videos are doing right and what can we actually replicate in the process. Don't panic, because your error will be identified, and then the solution for you to go ahead and fix that error will also be suggested by ChatGPT. So come over here on this video. First of all, let's go ahead and look at what this video has done, if it is correct or if it is wrong. So we'll click on transcript and summary, and you can see everything this person said inside the video. It says spoken words. They're already in text, so you don't need to download the video. All you need to do is to copy all the text that the person has spoken inside the video and come back to ChatGPT. Okay, so once you are in ChatGPT, go ahead and paste the spoken words from that particular video, and after that, you come down below the transcript. You're going to go ahead and type this small prompt. Check if it violates YouTube policy. In any way this particular video is violating YouTube policy, you are going to go ahead and identify it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on send. So just be patient. So right over here, you can see, yes, this content appears to violate YouTube policy, particularly the YouTube Partner Program, YPP, okay, and copyright rules. Here is a breakdown of the issue. So this is what this particular content creator don't know about. And if this particular content creator, the channel is now shadow banned and is not getting view again, is going to begin to say or wonder what is the problem. And there's no way this particular content creator will know that his video is already violating YouTube policy. In 2025, YouTube has introduced a lot of policies that so many people are not aware of. Let me break it down for you. So if I come down here, you can see potential violation, copyright infringement, content ID, manual claim. So it's a copyright content that this person have used inside the video. Say, just by copying and pasting people's content is already a violation. That is exactly what the person stated inside the video. And YouTube don't like things like that. So the next one here, you can see directly copying video from TikTok, Facebook, and other creators. So this person is teaching people how to violate policy on YouTube. So if you come down here, you can see all the violations that this person actually did. Reuse content, policy violation, it violated copyright violation. It also violated copying video from other social media platforms. Then let's come down here, misleading practice, encouraging violations. That is one of the major violations this person got. Okay, if you come down here, false expectations for monetization. I have reached all the so this is something that is violating on this particular video. So if you come down here, you can see YouTube official stance from YouTube policy document. Okay, channel that repeatedly posts content from other sources with minimal changes may not be accepted into the YouTube partner program. Okay, what can you do instead? You can see now that ChatGPT is suggesting what possible you can do to fix this kind of violation. So instead, ChatGPT is suggesting that you should use stock footage or royalty-free content. You can see use Creative Commons, CC, or by content with attribution. Add your own voiceover analysis, editing to make it transformative. Building an audience using original or valued added content to avoid long-term penalty. This is what they call long-term penalty. They will not tell you that you are already violating their policy or they are shadow banning your video. YouTube will not tell you. So this is exactly how to go ahead and fix this problem. Let me show you a channel that is not violating any policy and how this person is also growing, and this person will going to continue to grow. All right. So guys, let me show you this particular video. Now, this particular video right over here, I have to copy the transcript from this particular video, and I copied everything that the person said inside the video. And then I'll bring it back to ChatGPT, and inside the ChatGPT, I pasted the entire transcript. And after pasting the entire transcript, you can see that ChatGPT was able to identify even the content creator. You can see transcript you shared appeared to be from a video by this person. You can see the name of the owner of the channel, explaining how to make money with Google AdSense, especially through faceless YouTube channel. Now you are asking whether this violates YouTube policy. Now they said here is the breakdown whether this content violates YouTube policy, particularly focusing on monetization and content creation. Now if you come down right over here, you can see what is likely within YouTube policy. That is what the person is actually doing right. Okay, and that is exactly what they said stated here. They also identified some areas he has made mistake, which is not actually considered. In this case, YouTube is not looking at where this borderline mistake is coming from. So this content creator maintaining this kind of content will keep on growing and keep on growing over and over continuously without experiencing either any kind of setback. Either he's getting low views or low impression or video is not going. So this kind of content creator, you hardly see him changing his video title or video description, trying to make YouTube to actually recommend the video overnight, right? So that is not actually okay. So let's come down a bit and you're going to see the final resolution summary. Say no, the transcript or the script you shared does not explicitly violate YouTube policy. Okay, so this is a conclusion that it doesn't violate policy. So this video will continue to get views, get suggested on YouTube in different areas and keep on gaining much attention. It is not about the thumbnail. It is not about the title that we are posting. I've seen videos where people post even without title, okay, without even writing anything on the thumbnail. But at the end of the day, the video will get good amount of views because the video was actually recommended by YouTube. If you post a video and you pay Google Ads, you can see that YouTube is going to go ahead and recommend your video. And so many people will watch your video because it was recommended, you paid for it. But if you post video and the video is not being recommended, you are not going to get view, no matter how much attractive the title and the thumbnail you put is. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, drop your channel name below the comment section. And every week I will pick one channel to go ahead and analyze with ChatGPT and give you feedback. Download my free prompt pack below to go ahead and fix your own YouTube channel. Alright guys, so go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you want weekly AI power tips to grow your YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video guys. Peace out.